The focus and isolate xCodes both work the same way. Focus is a gray box that contains lesson content, and isolate is a gray bordered box. These can be used interchangeably as you see fit to support your lesson. It's up to you how you use them, but generally speaking, they're intended to help sighted students immediately recognize the structure of your page and how ideas relate to one another. For students with visual disabilities, these elements may not be helpful, but the same structural information would be communicated to them by assistive technology as it interprets the page's heading structure. To create these graphic elements, you would click on Edit Page to access the page editor. Now, instead of these elements, you'll see both xFocus and xIsolate in these Level 2 headings. We use the X in front of the trigger word as we don't want to initiate the creation of a graphic by mistake. We want you to be able to create these elements intentionally when you want them. They shouldn't appear by surprise. To create a focus box, simply include the trigger word xFocus in the heading you want associated with the box. When you hit Save and Close, the trigger word will be removed and the box will be generated. The box will continue to wrap your content until it meets the next same level heading or higher. So, since we've added it to a Level 2 heading here, it will continue to wrap content until it encounters the next Level 2 heading. The idea being that all Levels 3 and lower are semantically connected to the Level 2 heading and so are aligned by the same topic. But xFocus and xIsolate aren't dedicated to Level 2 headings. I can add either xFocus or xIsolate to any level heading and the same rules apply. It will continue wrapping until it encounters the next same level heading or higher. So, if I move xFocus to a Level 3 heading, you'll see that it continues to wrap my content until it meets the next Level 3 heading, or Level 2. If I move it to a Level 4 heading, it will continue to wrap until it meets the next Level 4 heading, or Level 3, or Level 2. While we think this is how focus and isolate will be used most frequently, we can't anticipate how you might choose to include them in your course. As a result, we've included a way for you to stop the wrapping of content by an xCode manually at any time you choose. If, for whatever reason, you want the xCode to stop wrapping, you can include its associated trigger word. For xFocus, you would add xEndFocus. For isolate, you would add xEndIsolate. This trigger word should not be in a heading. Watch how I can stop the box or border from wrapping whenever I want. So, you have control over how these elements are included in your course. Feel free to play with these and get comfortable with them. Next, let's talk about a tip.